guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree makeup look. So it's going to be kind of like a Dollar Tree makeup haul, makeup look. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a basket filled with makeup right here, which I'll be using all on my face, and I'll be attempting to use nothing but these, but it's easy because I only have these sitting here. So I'm going to start by showing you guys all the stuff that I got at the Dollar Tree. So if you notice, I already did my brows and I used a few things. I just opened them. I used a few things that I bought, but I opened them already. So this one is the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse, and this is it. And it's really, it works. It's really nice. This is the first time I was using it, and to find Revlon in the dollar store, I think that's a good deal because this product in Walmart are so a good $7. So it worked pretty good. It's just, it's the first time I'm using it, and I kind of went a little heavy on it. So that's what you're seeing on my brows, along with this pencil here. And this pencil is Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl pencil, and it is in Simmer Brown. And I've used this before, so I know about this one. So that's what's on my eyes. I didn't clean up my eyes as yet. I'll have to find something from here when I open to clean up my eyes. So then I did get this pencil here. It's another brow pencil. This one is the LA Color brow pencil, and it does have the brush on it, the brow brush. That's the brow brush that I use to brush my brow. I got this pack of LA Color Double Take, and it's two pencils that in there, but I guess they're a lip pencil. Well, it's set for lining and filling, but I thought this one was brown, so I got it for my brows. And then I realized, look, after I put it here, I realized it's not brown, it's that color. So I had to go back to the dollar store and get those brow pencils that I used on my brows. The next thing I got is a hard candy light to medium contour and sculpt kit, and this is the kit right here. And I kind of started opening it, and it came with a brush because I'll be using the dollar store brushes. It's a little travel brush with two sides, so that's good because I'll be using dollar store brushes as well today. So I'll be using this to contour and whatever else I can use it to do. And I'm going in no particular order because I have the basket here, so I'm going to use everything in the basket. So whatever comes up, I'll just grab them. I got a Allure Sensitive Vitamin E wipe. It's a facial cleansing wipes, and I just get this to remove my makeup after I'm done because I don't want it sitting on there long. I have never done makeup with dollar store makeup. I've never used it, so I don't know the quality of them. I know some of them I'll trust, like for example the Revlon or Elf. I've used those before, but I don't know about all of them. So I'll be cleansing my face when I'm done. I got, which I think was a good deal, it was a 25 cosmetic sponges are in this. So here it has a beauty blender. It does look like one that I use, that's from Elf, and I do love that one. So hopefully this one works good, and I'll be using this to apply my foundation. And of course I got the LA Colors Volume Thick Lashes Mascara. I'm just using mascara on my bottom lashes because that's what I do. So yep, I have mascara. Then here I have setting spray. I always use a setting spray. This one is the LA Color setting spray, but I didn't find a primer, so I said I was gonna use some of this setting spray to prime my face. Let's see how that works. But I did got a little setting spray, which is good, so when I'm done I can set everything. I got a couple of brushes. So this one is the crease brush, and it's from Wet n Wild, and it said cruelty free, gluten free, vegan. I'm not gonna eat the brush, but whatever. And I got a small eyeshadow brush, both of the brushes. I also got this mineral rush, and it's a powder, like a setting powder, so I got it to set, and it does come with a brush, so that's a good thing. I have a setting powder and a setting brush. I also got this bronzer, so I'll be using this to kind of contour my face, and it's from LA Colors. It's a pretty nice bronzer. I probably can use this even after, because when I get worried about breakouts, it's not about like the bronzer, so I don't think those would break me out. It's mainly like the foundation. Talking about foundation, I got the Sassy Plus Chic moisturizing foundation. I've never seen this foundation before, never used it, so this will be my first time. So this is the foundation here. I actually got the darkest color that they have, so I don't know if it will fit. I got a LA Colors liquid eyeshadow, and I just said I'll put this over whatever shadow I use. I'll put this for a shine. Usually these liquid shadows are pretty nice. I got a little contour brush right here, and it is from Wet n Wild, and it just says contour brush on it, so that should be a good use. I got a e.l.f. Flawless eyeshadow, and it says Golden Goddess it's called, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 shadows in it, and then a little mirror and a little brush. I'll be using this for my eyes. If you guys know me and makeup, I am a natural person when it comes to makeup. I don't do too much, so I should be good. I also got this Sassy Plus Chic Jade facial roller, because when I'm done, I'm gonna kind of cleanse my face, make sure I get all this makeup off, just in case it doesn't agree with my skin, I don't get a breakout. But this is just the Jade roller, and it says it relaxes facial muscles and nerves, reduces wrinkle, speed up blood circulation, and tighten skin. Wash face, then roll Jade roller twice daily, morning and night. Use your favorite essential oil to maximize the result. So I'll be using this when I'm done to cleanse my face. I also got this 2-step cleansing facial kit. So it's grapefruit, and I'll be using this when I'm done to clean my face. Usually you cleanse your face before, so you have a great foundation, but I'm just gonna cleanse my face after, just because I'm not used to these makeup. And then I got another 2 steps, and this one is a clay mask and an exfoliating scrub. So this is the exfoliating scrub, this is the clay mask. So when I'm done, I'm gonna just do a cleanse. That I'm not going to show. This video is about the dollar store makeup haul that I did, and I'm going to use them to create a look. So let's see if I can get a decent look from this dollar store haul, because when you're wearing makeup, I don't just want makeup that I'm gonna just do a video to see if it works. If I'm going to spend even 50 cents on makeup, I want good makeup that I could wear anywhere. So let's see what we come up with from this. Like I said, I started doing my brows already. I did my brows, so I'm just going to use this hard candy palette. I'm going to try one of these to clean up my brows. To be honest with you, I have this BH Cosmetic. I found it in my bag. I'm going to use this little bit BH Cosmetic brush to clean up my brows. Already, I'm not getting nothing from that hard candy. See, I'm using the darkest shade in there, which I was planning to use the contour. But it's not really doing much. See, this is why I don't do my brows on camera, because my brows kind of take a while. Okay, so that's not bad. That's not a bad cleanup. Pretty good cleanup for now, but now that I used the darkest one from the hard candy, I'm a little concerned about how it's gonna fit on my face. This foundation, like I said, is from Sassy Plus Chic, and it says a moisturizing foundation, and this was the darkest they had. I don't know, now I'm getting nervous about this because I don't know if this is gonna work. Here's the sponge. I'm going to use a little setting spray as my primer. I don't suggest you try that at home. So I just used a setting spray as a primer. I probably should have sprayed it in my hand because it was a little runny, but it didn't mess up my brows. So, ooh, that is white. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spread this. Oh yeah, this is kind of pasty. This makeup is kind of pasty, but I'm still gonna go on. I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna give up so quick. Probably have too much on my forehead. Yeah, it's more like a paste than a cream to me, and I can tell it's greasy. I can tell it's greasy. So the makeup doesn't feel like my regular makeup that I'll use. I'll give it that, but I'm still gonna try and see what I get from it. The sponge is hard. It's like a rubber. It's like rubber. The sponge is like rubber. That's all I can say. So this is a sponge I would not buy again. It's more rubbery than spongy. I feel like I'm using like oil on my face, like, and it does look oily. Can you see how oily that look? Sassy plus chic is not the business. There's no color in it. It's kind of like just oily. There's no color in it. Okay, so I was gonna try and save that and use the only foundation that I have with me is this Lancome stick. I was gonna try and use it, but I'm not. I'm just gonna keep going. I wouldn't use or buy this again, but for some reason I'm not disappointed because it's from the dollar store and I wouldn't think I would get good foundation from the Dollar Tree. So I'm really not disappointed. I was just hoping that I would get a good coverage and good use from it. So I was going to use this as a contour, but this cannot be used as a contour. I'm gonna try this one underneath my eyes, the same dark one, because it wasn't dark enough for contour, or probably it could be. Let's see. Nope, that's a better one for underneath my eyes. Yeah. So I wanted to use this as a contour because that's what it said it is, but it's not working as contour. So let's try it as an eyeliner. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything. I did clean up my brows okay. I can't find contour, what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna use this as a little contour, just a pencil. I'm going to use a contour brush and just blend that in. Got a nice little contour from that. I got a nice little contour here and underneath my neck. So the thing is, I do realize that the foundation is not my shade, but even if it was my shade, I don't see it working any better. I'm going to use this same brush, but it has another side here. This was the brush that came with the powder. So there goes the contour. I don't feel like I have anything left on it. Let's go with this bronzer and try and get a little darker. Kind of looks like an highlighter. Highlighter the 5. I will use this as an highlighter, like right here. Trust me, that's where I will use this. So to me, this is more highlighter than a bronzer, and I think it looks pretty good as a highlighter. I'm going to use this mini mineral powder that I got. And I'm going to try to use the powder to set my face. And I'm going to use it with a brush that it came with. At this point, I think I'm just doing whatever just to make it work. Just to see if I could go on outside like this. Face does feel greasy though, I must say that. The only thing I kind of have to do is my eyes. I'm going to use this light one, and it's already marked base, so I'm going to use it as a base for everywhere. And usually these little elf packs are not bad at all, but the base kind of look silvery more than powdery. Then I'm going to use a darker one, and I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little. Yellow looking one, it says lid, so let's see how that looks on the lid. But I also got this, and it was the LA Color Liquid Eyeshadow for the lid, so let's see how that goes. Overall that. I actually like this, it just needs to dry. But I actually like this LA Girl liquid color. I'm going to use this dark lip pencil here. And then I'm going to use what I used on my eye. And another thing, the brush is shutting out on my face, so last I'm going to take this mascara, and again it's the LA Color mascara, and I'm just going to do my bottom lashes. So I guess pretty much this is the makeup look. The foundation is awful, it doesn't look like me. I pretty much didn't have anything at all to do my contour, because as you can see, I used a pencil, and I think what I got was a little okay highlight, because this bronzer serves good as highlight. The cheeks are popping with that bronzer, so I would more use that as a highlighter. Kind of absorb pretty good. But basically that is the finished look. That sucks. I don't think I'll go far like this. I'm going to go outside in the sun, and I'm going to take some selfie to see if it looks any different outside in the regular sunlight. But go outside in the sun and see how this looks. That's pretty much the end of the video. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and don't forget to get active in the comments. I hope you guys are staying inside. I hope you are staying safe and healthy, and this was just fun with makeup. It was kind of an expensive fun because I spent in all probably like $23 to make this video, and I don't think there's anything in this that I really want to keep except this. The bronzer, I guess, is okay. So this doesn't do anything for me at all. The case is cute though. I'll keep this, and the pencils, I'll keep all the pencils, the lip liners, the eyeshadow pencil, and I can hold on to this for a while. I'll keep all the brushes too, but the foundation must go. And I guess I'll keep my wipes and the sponge. I mean, it's like a rubber, but I'll keep the sponge. I mean, I could do my regular makeup with this sponge, but it's just gonna be a little harder, and I'll keep the other sponges. But apart from that, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next upload. Mwah, mwah.